Okay, so click on Start menu, click on Settings. In Setting tabs, click on System. Here in a new window, click on Power and Sleep. And here you can see sleep option. So select Never if you want to turn it off. So let's click on Never. Close the window. Next step, what you can do is click again Start menu, type here Control Panel, click on Control Panel, and let's go to Power Options. So in Power Options, change plan settings. And here you should also select put the computer to sleep on Never option and click on Save Changes, and that's everything what you should do.